Welcome back to the Rider Pro. Bajaj Chetak is not just a scooter, it's an emotion for millions of Indians. In 2026, Bajaj brings back the Chetak in a more advanced electric avatar, mixing classic design with modern technology. This new version aims to be stylish, practical, and perfect for daily city rides. Design: retro meets modern. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak keeps its iconic retro look but adds a premium, futuristic touch. The metal body, smooth curves, and elegant paint finish make it look classy on the road. LED lighting, a modern digital display, and fresh color options give it a contemporary feel without losing its old-school charm. Electric power and performance. Under the body, the new Chetak comes with an improved electric motor and a more efficient battery pack. It offers smooth acceleration, silent riding, and enough power for city traffic. The focus here is not racing, but comfort, reliability, and stress-free daily commuting. Range and charging. The 2026 Chetak is expected to deliver a better real-world range than before, making it more practical for everyday use. Home charging is simple, and fast charging support makes it easier to top up the battery when you're in a hurry. This makes it a great choice for office-goers and students alike. Features and technology. Bajaj has packed the new Chetak with smart features like a digital instrument cluster, smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and riding modes. Safety features like disc brakes, CBS, and improved build quality make it feel premium and trustworthy. Ride comfort and practicality. The riding posture is relaxed, the seat is comfortable, and the suspension is tuned for Indian roads. The floorboard space and under-seat storage make it practical for daily use, whether you're going to work, college, or running errands. Expected price and competition. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak is expected to be priced competitively in the electric scooter market. It will go up against rivals like TV's iQube, Ather, and Ola, but its strong brand name and premium build could give it a solid advantage. Final verdict: should you wait for it? If you want a stylish, reliable, and easy-to-use electric scooter with a legendary name, the 2026 Bajaj Chetak could be worth waiting for. It's not just a scooter, it's a modern electric revival of an icon.